Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram account URL link. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Now firstly, I'm going to teach you how you can share your URL by manually typing it. So let's say I want to share my URL on my WhatsApp to a person. So what I'll have to do is click on the message and type in instagram.com/. Now I'll have to type in my profile name after the slash. So let's say it's this, and then click on the send button. Now the URL has been shared. Now you can just simply click on the URL that you just shared, and as you can see, it will open up on Instagram. Now there is another way for which you can send your Instagram URL to another person. So what you have to do is open up your web browser and open up your Instagram account on that web browser. So what you'll have to do is click on the search tab on the top of your screen and then copy your URL by simply clicking on this copy option here, and then go back to the place where you want to send the URL and simply paste it and then click on the send button. As you can see, the Instagram URL has been shared to that person I want to share it to. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram account URL. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.